Hey, what's up guys, Scratzy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a drawing game in Scratch. It's very easy. So first we'll move this character, shrink it to 50. Then I'm going to drag a when green flag clicked block. I'll go to control, drag in a wait 1 second block, and drag a forever block. Keep it separately. Then go to looks, drag a clear graphic effects block and put it over the wait 1 second block. Go to motion, drag a point in direction 90 block, and go to X0 and Y0 block, which will be in here. Then I'm going to drag the forever block, and I'm going to go to motion, drag a go to mouse pointer block, which will be like this. Then I'm going to give a turn right 10 degrees block. You can put it turn left or anything you want. Then I'm going to drag a change color effect by 25 block, which will turn out to be something like this. Okay, then we're going to keep this aside and go to events and drag in another when green flag clicked block. Go to control and drag a wait 1 second block, since we're waiting 1 second in here. Then I'll go to forever and then create clone of myself, which will turn out to be like this. If you want to raise this, just click on this button over here to stop this program. Then I'll just go here. I'll draw a heart, I think. Okay. But anyways, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content when uploaded. And yeah, this is the kind of project with which you can impress your family members, your friends, your teacher, I don't know, whoever you want. But yeah, this is a very simple project, and it's gonna work just fine if you just follow these instructions. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, guys.